Best deals.
1. Flour sifter. Crafted from premium rust-free and corrosion-resistant food-grade stainless steel, the sifter boasts durability and food safety. Embrace ease with one-hand operation, enabling simultaneous sifting and multitasking. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Spiral cutter. Perfect for making quick low-carb veggie noodles from numerous healthy veggie alternatives like zucchini, onion, carrot, cucumber, cabbage, beet, turnip, rutabaga. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Coconut scraper. Has unique tabletop design for stability and ease of use, crafted from sharp steel blade for effortless cutting through coconut meat, and comes with ergonomic grip for comfortable grating. It's high-quality kitchen tool designed for grating coconuts. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Cream dispenser. Crafted from aluminum food-grade material and strong enough to handle pressure while use, whipped cream dispenser canister can fill up to 500 milliliters of butter. Always shake it well after filling cream before whipping. The cream dispenser is easy to use and user-friendly. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Air fryers. The handle lock design ensures secure carrying without hot hands, while the central slope drains excess oil and juice, keeping ingredients healthy and unstained, can withstand standard temperature rates, ensuring safe use in ovens, microwaves, air fryers, dishwashers, and refrigerators. The bottom barrier design lifts food off the surface. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Whisk. Made from sturdy stainless steel, hollow handle, constructed for durability, reliability, and sleek professional style, food-safe standard, ergonomically designed for excellent balance and control. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Drainer. Simply place the loose tofu in the draining container and position the spring at the center of the water container. Then, secure the pressing board on top of the draining container. In just 15 to 30 minutes, the tofu will be transformed into a firmer texture. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Baking tubes. Crafted from high-quality anti-rust stainless steel with no coating on both inside and outside, which is non-toxic and healthy, oven-safe for baking and fryer-safe for deep fry, great for making filled desserts or appetizers and baking tube-shaped pastry shell, like cream horn, French horn, popsicle. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Butter knife. Can scrape the butter into the spaghetti-like form, and it can cut the edge of your toast bread and spread jam. Butter spreader is so lightweight and convenient. Apply more evenly. Serrated edge butter spreader can used as the tool to shred the vegetables and meat. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Batter dispenser. Made of high-quality stainless steel. The stainless steel material is safe, environmentally friendly and not easy to rust, with the features of resistant to falling and durable. It can be used for a long time without damage. The pancake dispenser is easy to clean and the dishwasher is safe. Detachable octopus balls maker is easy to install and does not require any installation tools. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Fry strainer. Made from high-quality stainless steel, and integrated filter efficiently removes excess oil and water, ensuring cleaner and healthier frying results. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass stirring spoon. Crafted from high boron glass, the spoon withstands high temperatures, ensuring safe and long-lasting use for all your cooking needs. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Oil container with strainer. With fine mesh strainer, it is easy to separate food from fat and reduce fat intake. Premium stainless steel bacon grease can effectively prevent the problem of rust during use. Perfect for home, family, restaurant kitchen to store oil. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Strainer. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free plastic, the vegetable strainer is designed to withstand daily use, making it a long-lasting, unique gadgets featuring an innovative stackable design. This vegetable strainer set saves valuable kitchen space while providing versatile functionality. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Skewers kebab maker. Keep your hands away from heat source. Smooth surface will not leave residue on kebab skewers, which easy to clean, great for shish kebab, shrimp, chicken, fruit, vegetable, onions, meat, beef, shish kebab, Greek souvlaki, churrasco, lamb kebab. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Juicer. Suitable for various types of fruits such as lime juice, lemon juice, citrus juice, ginger juice, apple juice, sugar cane juice. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Meat tenderizer. Effectively creates tiny channels within the meat, breaking down tough fibers in just 5 minutes. Ideal kitchen new items for those who value time and quality in cooking. This ABS handle is easy to press and features an automatic retraction function for safety. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Burner stand. The magic happen, it fits like a glove, effortlessly. Enjoy the smooth, hassle-free process that saves your time and effort. Upgrade your cooking game with this gas energy saver stand and experience the convenience you've been craving. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Crinkle cutter knife. Crafted from superior food-grade stainless steel, enhanced with vacuum titanium iron plating technology for exceptional strength and rust resistance. This durable crinkle cutter is designed to withstand the test of time, ensuring no worries about rust or deformation. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Spiral cutter. Made of durable plastic material, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance, ideal for creating decorative spirals or noodles from vegetables like carrots, cucumbers, zucchinis, and more, helps add creative flair to salads, stir-fries, garnishes, and other dishes, easy to use with a simple twisting motion, making it suitable for home cooks of all skill levels. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Egg separator. Made of food-grade stainless steel, it's very safe and healthy, no worry about rust. It also has excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The egg white separator can be hung on the wall with a unique design. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Nylon filter cloth. Big, square and stretchable bag with a wide flexible mouth to perfectly fit on top of bowls of different sizes, requires minimal maintenance and very little effort to wash, clean and clear off the residue. Very fine nylon mesh allows perfect filtration of all types of plant-based milk. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Flexible silicone funnel. This collapsible silicone funnel can be stored anywhere in your kitchen, garage, tools kits, artist kits or most small spaces in drawers and cabinets. Kitchen accessory makes it easy to pour and transfer liquids, solids and powders. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Pineapple eye remover tool. Make you easier to enjoy the delicious pineapple. Practical clip design, very convenient to remove pineapple eyes. It's perfect for camping, outdoor hiking, exploring travel tool, has a beautiful appearance, strong and wearable, easy to clean. Durable and easy to clip out the pineapple cora. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Knife. Made of hardwood handle and stainless steel blade, durable, can be used for a long time. Shrimp peeler grade suitable for all kind of seafood with shells such as lobster, prawns, mantis shrimp, crab legs and other shell. Seafood. Shrimp deveinner tool helps you quickly remove the shrimp shells. Product link is given in the 25th link. Thanks for watching.